In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text in Canva, a versatile graphic design platform that is perfect for both beginners and seasoned designers. Whether you're crafting a presentation, a social media post, or any other digital design project, adding a dynamic flair with animated text can make your work truly stand out. So let's dive in and explore how to do this in just a few simple steps. First things first, make sure you have your Canva project open. And if you haven't done so already, now would be a great time to get things up and running. Once you're ready, navigate to your active project where you want the magic to happen. A major tip here is to sort out the overall layout and design of your project before applying any animations, so you have a clear vision of where the text animation will best enhance your visuals. Now for the fun part. Once you have your project open, find the section of text you want to animate. Click on that text to select it. You should see a border or outline indicating that your text is now active. On the top menu, look for the Animate button. This is your gateway to a world of motion creativity. Once clicked, a menu will appear showcasing a variety of animation styles you can apply to your text. There are several options to choose from, depending on the feel and style you're going for. Do you want your text to bounce in with energy or perhaps slide in smoothly from the side? Canva offers a wide selection to fit your creative vision. The key here is to experiment with different styles to see which one best complements the overall mood and message of your project. Once you've decided on an animation style, you have a few more decisions to make. You can customize whether you want the text to animate both when entering and exiting, or just one of these options, depending on how you want the flow of your design to work. Additionally, take the time to adjust the speed to your liking. A quick, snappy movement might add excitement, whereas a slow, deliberate entrance creates suspense or adds elegance. You can even choose the writing style to further tailor how the text appears. After you've fine-tuned all these elements, take a moment to review your work. Preview the animation by playing it back to ensure it looks just how you envisioned. This is the final checkpoint to confirm if any tweaks are needed before you consider the animation complete. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully animated text in Canva, adding a dynamic touch to your digital project. Remember, animation is a powerful tool to engage viewers, so use it wisely and creatively. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Canva.